Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix custom tones disappeared after iOS 17 update. Several users have vented their anger on various social media platforms like Reddit and Twitter. This was expected as the feature was quite helpful for many. On Apple discussion, a user shared that custom tone option is disappeared after iOS 17 update. Further in the conversation, many users joined and conveyed the same. So if your old tune are disappear and you want to get them back, let me show you how you can get it. So the first step would be you have to download that old tune in your PC and make sure that you have opened your computer. So in my case I have already downloaded this old tune. Then the next step would be open the 3U tool in your computer. So if you don't have, you can download this tool, it's free tool. Then the next step, connect your iPhone via USB cable to your 3U tool. Once you are connected with, you will see this interface. Click on toolbox. Once you are here, then click on make ringtone. Click on it. Now from PC, then select your old ringtone. Click on generate, and now you can rename it. And then you can click on import to your device. And it will take a few seconds. As you can see, it's imported. Now just let me go to settings. Click on sound and haptics. Now here you will see your old custom tune back on your iPhone. So it's easy as that. If you want to get your old tune back, just download the tunes from YouTube or Google and import this way. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.